Ibrahim was born in a land where people worshipped idols. His father, Azar, was a sculptor who made statues for people to pray to. But even as a child, Ibrahim felt something was wrong. He wondered, how can these statues, made by human hands, be gods? One night, Ibrahim looked at the sky and saw a bright star. He thought, maybe this is my Lord. But when the star disappeared, he said, no, my Lord does not disappear. Then he saw the moon, which was even brighter. Maybe this is my Lord, he thought. But when morning came and the moon vanished, he knew it was not. Then he saw the sun rising, its golden rays covering everything. This must be my Lord. But when it set, he realized the truth. My Lord is the one who never disappears. Ibrahim realized that the idols his people worshipped were powerless. He went to his father and the people and said, why do you worship things that cannot hear, see, or help you? But they ignored him and got angry. They told him to stop questioning their gods. One day, while everyone was away at a festival, Ibrahim entered the temple. He saw all the idols lined up and said, how can you worship these? Then he took an axe and smashed all the small idols, leaving only the biggest one. He placed the axe on the large idol's shoulder. When the people returned and saw the idols broken, they were shocked and angry. Who did this to our gods? They shouted. Someone said, it must be that young man Ibrahim. They brought him forward and asked, did you do this? Ibrahim replied, ask the big idol. Maybe he did it. The people looked at each other, realizing their gods couldn't even speak. The angry people took Ibrahim to King Nimrod. The king was furious and ordered, burn him in a huge fire. They built a massive bonfire, tied Ibrahim up, and threw him into the flames. As Ibrahim fell into the fire, something amazing happened. Allah commanded the fire, be cool and peaceful for Ibrahim. The flames stopped burning, and Ibrahim stood unharmed in the middle of the fire. The people gasped in shock. After this miracle, Ibrahim left his homeland and traveled to spread the message of one true God. He became one of the greatest prophets, guiding many people to the right path.